Hello, I'm Lucia from the World Intellectual Property Organization. Welcome to our new series of Madrid How-To, our tutorial videos of the Madrid System. In each episode, we explain a different transaction. Let's begin.
How to restrict the list of goods and services of your international registration. Part 3. Cancellation.
As you may know, an international registration creates a bundle of national rights that can be administered centrally through WIPO. One of the key benefits of using the Madrid system is being able to manage your international registration centrally through WIPO. In this episode, I am going to show you how to use the Madrid system to adapt the list of goods and services of an international registration in the designated contracting parties to suit your business needs and the markets you operate in. The holder, or the recorded representative if there is one, can request restrictions by submitting the relevant form to WIPO, either directly or through the IP office of the contracting party of the holder.
Types of restrictions.
There are three ways to restrict the list of goods and services of an international registration: limitation, renunciation, and cancellation. Each restriction has different effects. Now, let's look at the last type of restriction, the cancellation. Unlike the limitation and the renunciation, the cancellation is permanent and affects all the designated contracting parties. Here is an example. In this case, we have an international registration for three classes, 12, 25, and 43, again designating Australia, China, and the USA. The cancellation can be total or partial.
Total cancellation.
If the cancellation is total, it applies to all the goods and services in the international registration. So, the international registration is withdrawn entirely.
Partial cancellation.
If the cancellation is partial, it applies to some goods and services that are removed from the international registration. If we cancel class 12, it disappears from the main list. If you wish to cover the goods and services affected by a cancellation, you will need to file a new international application for them.
How to request a cancellation.
To request a cancellation, submit Form MM8, which is free of charge. How to send a request to record this transaction. You can find the relevant forms on the Madrid System website and submit them to WIPO using the Contact Madrid online service. How to track the status of your request. On the Madrid System website, on Madrid Monitor, go to the Real-Time Search tab, where you can find the document published as WIPO processes them. For more information about these operations, check out the Madrid System website under How to Manage Your International Registration, or contact us via Contact Madrid.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next Madrid How-To video. Do not miss it in our website. See you next time.